Are you scared? Did you buy the dip and the market keeps dipping? Listen, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do in this market crash to come out on top. Whether you realize it or not, we're actually sitting at one of the biggest opportunities of this decade. The market has dropped below the 200 moving average, which means over half a year of profits were taken out in the last 3 weeks. But how do you actually profit from this and actually come out on top? Number one, if you've bought the dip, don't worry, okay? You need to wait for the market to balance out and then buy the recovery. I believe it started to do that today. Number two, hold on for the ride. A lot of people are so scared of losing their shirt that they're getting out when it's the most opportunity to get in. I remember during COVID, American Airlines stock dropped to $6.50. And I bought some, but I didn't buy enough. Why? Because I was afraid. And today it's sitting somewhere between $18 and $21. And he did that within 6 months of me buying. Guys, I'm trying to tell you that when the market dips like this is the best time for you to buy and hold. As I'm talking to you today, Tesla about a couple days ago was about $220. Now Tesla is around $250, a 15% increase in 24 hours. Guys, I'm trying to tell you, this is the time to start buying, but buying in this particular way. You see, you want to protect yourself from the long run. So here's the formula to win. 70-30. I call it the 70-30 principle. You want to buy great stocks at discount, 70% in stocks and 30% in options, okay? Specifically leaps. So you want to buy options a year out, 2 years out, 6 months out. That gives you time and it protects your investment. Yeah, they might be a little bit more expensive, but they tell you and show you how to actually profit. Now, here's the key you need to remember. For every 10% the stock moves, usually your options contract moves 300%. What does that mean? That means that if Apple goes from 200 to 210, your options contract will go from $1,000 to $3,000. If Tesla goes from 200 to 220, your options contract will usually go from $1,000 to $3,000. If Costco goes from 900 to 1,000, your options contract will go from 1,000 to 7,500. And how do I know that? Because I just took that exact trade about 2 months ago, where I bought Costco longs. I held it for literally a week and a half, and within a week and a half, it went from $1,000 to 7,500. So when other people are being fearful, it's start for you to start buying smartly. How did I tell you to buy? The 70-30 principle. 70% in stocks and 30% in options. For me, I go a little bit more aggressive. I go about 60-40. 60% in stocks, 40% in options. And this is not just me who does this. Senators like Nancy Pelosi, when she bought NVIDIA, she put about $1.5 million in the shares and another $1 million in the options. The shares went up 10x. The options went up 100x. Guys, this is the revolution and the time for you to increase your portfolio and your wealth by leaps and bounds. Find your favorite companies, buy leaps and longs, and swing them for literally a month or two, and you will be happy that you did. If you want to know exactly how to do this, I created a step-by-step tutorial called the Mini Swings Bootcamp, okay? It's going to be here or linked below. Check out that video. It's super key, and it's going to show you step-by-step how I find, identify, and pick the best stocks to swing. That being said, guys, I'll catch you on the other side. Let's go.